Hyperparameter tuning is the last step in the model deployment workflow. While time-consuming, most of the difficult work has been done to get to this point. Now we are in the optimization phase. Hyperparameters, in general terms, are the parameters that configure the model for training. Since they configure how the model trains, it can have a direct impact on the performance of the model. The best approach to optimize the model is to first start with the default parameters, then start optimizing the available parameters. However, because there can be numerous parameters, finding the right combination for the highest performance is hard. On the right is a code example of importing a classifier model, then creating it with the default parameters, and lastly creating the same model but with the defined hyperparameters. To facilitate finding the best set of hyperparameters for a model, ML engineers often try numerous variations. Hyperparameter search is a term used to explore many possible parameters while selecting the optimal set for a model. There are a few ways one can search the hyperparameter space. First is grid search, where you search all options in a deterministic fashion. Think of using a telescope and searching the sky, moving a few degrees in the same direction every minute. Randomized search randomly selects a set of parameters each time to find an optimal set. This would be the same to randomly moving your telescope around and stopping it to search. Lastly, Bayesian search is a method where using statistics, you intelligently search a set of parameters, updating how you select the next set based on the results of the previous parameter searches. Each of these have trade-offs, and this by no means is the entire list of search methods. You should at least be aware of these when optimizing your models in the model deployment workflow.